Let's now go to acupuncture for emergencies. Let's discuss meridian type stroke for acupuncture treatment. First, hyperactivity of liver yang with upward attack by wind fire. For main symptoms, hemiplegia and numbness, dysphagia or aphasia, or wry mouth and tongue, headache, dizziness, flushed face with red eyes, restlessness, irritability, dark urine, dry feces, bitter taste in the mouth, and a deep red tongue body with thin yellow coating and a taut and forceful pulse. For therapeutic principle, you can calm the liver, extinguish wind, purge fire, and unblock channels. Second, for wind phlegm, induced blood stasis and meridian blockage. For main symptoms, hemiplegia with numbness, wry mouth and tongue, stiff tongue with dysphagia, dizziness with blurred vision, dry tongue with white and greasy coating, and a taut and slippery pulse. Therapeutic principle, extinguish wind, dissipate phlegm, mobilize blood, and unblock the channels. Thirdly, phlegm heat into viscera, inducing upward attack by wind phlegm. The main symptoms are hemiplegia with numbness, dysphagia, dry mouth and tongue, abdominal distension, constipation, dizziness, blurred vision, copious sputum, and saliva or fever. The tongue coating is yellow and greasy. The pulse is either taut and slippery or taut, slippery and large on the side with hemiplegia. For therapeutic principle, dissipate phlegm and unblock the full viscera. Fourth, the Qi deficiency and blood stasis. The main symptoms are hemiplegia with numbness, dysphagia, wry mouth and tongue, pallid complexion, shortness of breath, lassitude, drooling of saliva, spontaneous sweating, edema of the hands and feet, and palpitation of the heart. The tongue is pale gray with a thin coating. The pulse is deep and thread-like and impeded. For therapeutic principle, augment qi, mobilize blood, and unblock the channels. The fifth is wind stirring due to yin deficiency. The main symptoms are hemiplegia with numbness, dysphagia, dry mouth and tongue, dizziness, tinnitus, hotness in the palms and soles, and restlessness, insomnia. The tongue is red with scant coating. The pulse is thread-like and taut, either even or rapid. For therapeutic principles, you can nourish the liver and the kidney, suppress yang, and extinguish wind. For acupuncture treatments, you can use for the following hemiplegia, use filiform needles and apply the reducing method on the affected side and the reinforcing method on the unaffected side. Upper limbs, select uh, gallbladder 21, large intestine 11, large intestine 10, Sanjiao 5, and large intestine 4. For lower limbs, select gallbladder 30, gallbladder 34, stomach 36, stomach 41, and bladder 60. Second, for wry mouth and tongue, use filiform needles and apply the even method, neither reducing nor reinforcing. Select the acupoints stomach 4, stomach 6, large intestine 4, stomach 44, and LR3. Thank you for your attention.